I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. I make helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio related content, but today we're going to be focusing in on Native Instruments Komplete and Friend Cell. It starts today, March 4th, and it runs through April the 1st. So what does that mean for you? That means basically you get 20% off of new bundles, or if you decide to upgrade or update, you're going to be getting the 20% off. And then also on top of that, you're going to be getting the partner product. So the partner products include things like Teletone audio, depending on which tier that you get. So let's just break it down like this. So if you get the first tier, which is Komplete Standard Edition, you're going to be getting 20% off, and on top of that you get the Teletone audio Electro. If you decide to take it up a tier, which is Komplete Ultimate, then not only do you get the Electro, but then you're getting the E instruments slower. Then if you decide to bump it up one more tier and get the Komplete Collector's Edition, not only do you get Electro and then the E instrument slower, but then you're also getting the Sonokinetic 80. So again, 20% off on new bundles, upgrade, and then also you get a partner product. The sale starts today, March 4th, ends April the 1st. So if you are ready to level up your sound arsenal, then head down to the links in the description box below. But in the meantime, we're going to be checking out some of the partner products with Komplete 15. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is take a look at Electro, and Electro is like this kind of electronic rhythm orchestrator, and basically what it allows you to do is make beats and really kind of customize your beats. It has a ton of different vintage sounds like drum machines, as far as, you know, the Roland TR-808, the TR-909, and things like the Linn drum. So let's go ahead and take a look and kind of dive in here to see what Electro is all about. So again, you get this when you purchase Komplete 15, the standard edition. So I'm going to go ahead and press this play button here and just kind of go through some of the kits and take a listen. So you have a lot of different presets to kind of comb through here, and it has it by different tempos and things like that. So let's go ahead and go back over here to the main page, and as you can see at the top it says sound design, and that's exactly what this plugin allows you to do. You have things like the pitch wheel, you can stretch it, speed it, chaos filter, reverse it. Using the mod wheel, you can use these different parameters here. Then you have sort of like a global control right here. So let's say, for example, if I have my kick drum and I want to add a little bit of distress to it, I can do that as well. Same thing for the saturation. And then if I click this arrow right here, I can change this to distortion. Same thing for like the flanger. You can have other parameters you can switch it over to. Same thing for the verb here as well. So these are sort of like global controls, and then you can come down here to where it says drum detail, and it tells you kind of what is what here. So you can kind of come in here and really customize your drums further down here. So you have the kick, the snare, the different hats, the toms, things like that. Then you have your different percussions down here as well. So here we have the volume, tune, pan. So let's say, for example, if I wanted to pan my drums, I can come in here and do that as well. So a lot of different customization. And then if you want to get really fancy with the plugin here, you can come over here to Beat Maker, and then you have where you can make your beat and really customize it. So what you heard earlier, I was playing, press the plus button here. You can actually come in here and change the different pattern, and you can really customize it to your taste. So a lot of cool stuff that you can do using Electro. So again, if I come back to this page, you can solo things here, and then you can also, so say for example, if I want these two playing, I can go ahead and click that in. And I just pretty much did that by holding down the shift there. So really cool stuff. Electro, I'm not going to do too much. I'm pretty sure there's other videos you can watch on YouTube if you want to learn more about it. But I just want to kind of show you what you have once you purchase or register a bundle rather with Komplete 15 Standard Edition. So again, if you want to support the channel, go ahead and click down in the description box below. And then if you purchase Komplete 15, again, you're going to be getting Electro by Teletone Audio. So the next instrument that I want to take a look at is this one made by E Instruments, and this one is called Slower. And basically you can pick this one up when you pick up a copy of Komplete 15, the Ultimate Edition. So let me go ahead and show you a little bit about what Slower is and how it kind of works. So basically it's an instrument library, and it has high sampled content, and it contains things like keys, guitars, strings, woodwinds, brass, and a lot more stuff. And the recordings are basically recorded on like 4 different tapes, and basically are pitched down an octave. So basically that's going to enable you to have like this nice warm instrument. So let's go ahead and take a listen to some of the presets from Slower. Alright, so let's go ahead and just load something random here. That one sounds pretty cool. Alright, so I loaded it up, and then you can see the interface right here, and then you can see where it says Studio, Portable, Cassette, and then the Dictaphone. So now you have something like this here. Change it here. So you can kind of hear how it sounds different as you switch down below the different tapes here. So let's go ahead and pick another sound and show off another one here. This one sounds pretty cool. Let's pick one more. Sounds unique there. And you can really come in here and adjust your sound here. We have the different effects. We have the different wave envelopes. And really just adjust a lot of different settings. So this is pretty much E Instruments Slower. Again, you can pick this up by simply registering the Komplete 15 bundle. Not only do you get the 20% off on the bundle of Komplete 15 Ultimate, but you also get access to Slower. So this last one here is called Sonokinetic 80. And if you do decide to purchase the collector's edition, which is Komplete 15, the collector's edition, then you get access to Sonokinetic 80. And basically this has a lot of different musical scores from back in the day. So let me go ahead and show you an example of what it sounded like here. So really cool stuff there. Again, it's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. We will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.